Hey guys, it's Ryan with Roof Space America, and I'm here today showing off the Roof Space 2, which is the world's first fusion category rooftop tent. What that means basically is we combine the advantages of a hard shell tent and the advantages of a soft shell tent to create the first fusion category tent. We like hard shell tents because they're really easy to use, they're really durable, and we like soft shell tents because they have a really compact mounting footprint and they double in size, so they become really spacious when they open. We don't like that hard shells usually have a big mounting footprint, and with soft shells, we don't like that they can be kind of a pain to open. So we kind of combine the best of both worlds here. We're the first folding hard shell. Yeah, and I'll take you guys over here and I'll show you how it works. Really simple. On the front here, we just have 2 latches. You'll secure the cap to the side of the tent. Then from there, we have 2 more latches on the back. We have tuned gas struts on the inside of the tent, so with only 6 pounds of force, you can open and close it. So super quick setup and tear down. Setup can be as quick as 15 seconds, tear down about 45 seconds to a minute. So our tent is the only tent on the market that does not require the ladder for stability. We have 2 redundant stability systems, an internal steel cable structure, and also our case itself has a cantilever effect, and it's able to support up to 600 pounds on this lever with no ladder. This is the only tent on the market that can do that. It's extremely strong and extremely durable. This one now is in what we call panorama mode, where essentially the front of the tent zips down and it gives you this nice deck to sit and hang out at. It's really nice if you're somewhere with a nice view with some nice weather, you can sit there and hang out. From there, you would attach the ladder. And that's it, that's set up.